Hi, everybody. Welcome to University 101 Instruction Training, Grading Tutorial and Timely Feedback video. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify the grade tab on D2L, the location of grading rubrics, and where and how to provide feedback. First of all, make sure to go to D2L and log in with your institutional credentials. Also, make sure to locate the corresponding term you're working on, spring, fall, and make sure to choose the corresponding D2L site, the one you are going to work on grading this week. Now, within D2L, you are going to land on the home page, and you are going to find a set of tabs like grades, class lists, and UA tools. Make sure to click on grades, and there you are going to click on the sub-tab called Manage Grades. In this one, you're going to find a table with several columns on different assignments that are all connected with our D2L site and assignments for University 101. So here you have the grade item, type, association, maximum points, and weight. We're going to focus on the category because you have weekly categories, for example, participation, and in this case, weekly reflections. That is the category, the big group, and then you're going to go directly to the internal assignment, that is week 2 reflection. So if you notice, there are an association, assignments. It means that the student is submitting the assignment in a corresponding tab on D2L in a corresponding week and before the due date. If you want to grade the assignment, you are going to expand this menu, and you're going to choose Enter Grades. There, you're going to find last name, first name of the student, grade, weight grade, scheme, feedback, and assessment. Go directly to assessment because the rest of columns are going to be updated once you complete the grading task. Once you click there, you're going to find the student name, submission, content, the time they submitted on, and also rubrics. So for this assignment, you can expand the menu, and you're going to find a set of grading criteria. So just make sure to read the assignment and check if the assignment achieved the expectations of the grading rubric. I know that in some cases it is a little bit difficult with one screen. Therefore, if you have 2 screens to work on, totally fine. So click on this icon here in the corner, and you're going to have a whole view of the rubric. And again, it's a matter of possibilities. So make sure to use the grading rubric as expected if the student accomplish the expectation of the assignment, in this case, the reflection for week 2. And also you can provide feedback. So the feedback can be based on what you have read. You can provide some suggestions for improvement, and also you can invite them to your office hours if you want to discuss further. Also, make sure that once you are done with the grading and the feedback, click on Update button. So it's going to be updated within your grading column. There is another way to do the same grading, but from a panoramic view. So if you click on Enter Grades sub-tab, you're going to find all student submissions, depending on the week and the semester you are, and you can go there and even grade some late assignments or just correct some grades as you need it. It's going to be panoramic, so you can see all the semester view, all the semester grades, grading items, and you're going to expand the menu, and you're going to enter grades, and you're going to end in the same spot we started. Now, some recommendations when grading and providing feedback. As the students are expected to submit weekly reflections, weekly grading and feedback is expected from University 101 facilitators. Also, although we understand that we cannot provide that much individualized feedback, If you know, try to provide resources, links, suggest some resource centers at University of Arizona, etc., for your students within the feedback you offer. And remind your students to check their grades. And more importantly, the feedback, as it is the way to improve their performance. Also, extend an invitation to your office hours in your feedback. And that's all. Thank you for your attention.